So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to remove the background of a picture here on Canva using Canva desktop. So the first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Now once that is done, I want you to go to the left hand side of your screen and either select an uploaded photo that you've selected or a photo, which I will do in this case, through the Elements tab. So once that is done, I'll just scroll down to where it says Search Elements right here. Then I'll go to Photos. Then for this example, I'll just scroll down, and how about I find a photo? What would be a good example of maybe, what's a good example here of a photo that I can remove the background of? How about these hands right here? So if I wanted to remove the background, the simplest way to do it is to press on the photo like this, go to the top. Now you do need a premium version of Canva. If you have a free version, there's some other ways you can do this, but it's just a little bit more steps. But the easiest way, press on BG remover or background remover right here. It'll now take a couple seconds to scan the photo, and just like that, the background is removed. So once again, as another example, if I wanted to maybe use, what's a good example here? How about this person right here? I'll press on background remover. Now the background's removed. Very straightforward. So super simple, super straightforward. That is how to remove a background of an image here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.